China and the United States trade tensions are flaring up, with China rolling out a fresh wave of sanctions targeting multiple U.S.-linked entities while tightening controls over its fast-growing drone industry. Chinese authorities have imposed sanctions on a number of American organizations, though specific operational details remain limited. Alongside these measures, Beijing has increased scrutiny on drone exports, a sector where China plays a dominant global role. The tighter oversight is expected to impact international buyers and could disrupt supply chains for commercial and industrial drone applications, especially in markets dependent on Chinese components. With drones critical for logistics, surveillance, agriculture, and defense-linked uses, any curbs from China could have ripple effects on pricing, availability, and innovation cycles globally. At the same time, tensions are spilling into consumer-facing sectors. A separate development saw Chinese netizens reacting strongly to U.S. actions that blacklisted certain food brands over alleged forced labor concerns. According to the South China Morning Post, China has largely mocked the United States' move, with users questioning the credibility of the allegations and criticizing what they see as politicization of trade measures. Public opinion in China has in past instances led to boycotts or shifts in purchasing behavior, particularly when geopolitical issues intersect with consumer markets. Together, these developments underline a broader decoupling trend. On one hand, governments are weaponizing trade tools, sanctions, export controls, and blacklists to protect strategic interests. On the other, consumers are becoming active participants in these tensions, influencing brand perception and market dynamics. For global businesses, the dual pressure from regulatory action and consumer sentiment adds another layer of complexity. Companies operating across both markets already face tougher compliance requirements, reputational risks, and potential disruptions in sourcing or sales, whether through sanctions or critical industries like drones or consumer backlash over trade allegations. The impact is likely to be felt far beyond the two countries.